Hey guys, I'm not gonna talk that loud, but I'm just thought I'd make a really quick vlog. My dog just had puppies. You guys probably all know Jingle Bell's a silver one. Mally is the blue one. If you guys know Weimaraner terms, you know what that means. Technically the tan one, I guess I like to call it, and Mally's like the bluish blackish one. But Jingle Bell had puppies. I'm gonna really quietly show you guys. So Jingles had puppies. Right here. Good job, Jingles. She had 12. There were 6 blue, bluish blackish, and 6 silver tan ones. Or color, basically. So yeah. So, hey Jingles, good job. So yeah, I just thought I'd tell you guys that. They're all quiet. Now they're crying again. So yeah, there's 12. We've been keeping count. Yeah. So yeah, just thought I'd tell you guys that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye, you guys.